Picture this, an age-defying elixir flowing through your veins, a force field shielding you from the harsh adversities of time, constantly working, repairing, and regenerating, weaving a tapestry of resilience and radiance that transcends age. Today we pull back the curtain on this superstar protein, collagen, an entity so versatile and vital that it literally holds us together piece by piece, cell by cell. Now, you may wonder, what exactly is collagen? Number 1. Everything about collagen. Ever stop to think about that whopping 30% of your body's protein is actually collagen? Collagen is not just a mere protein, it's a sophisticated and intricate structure that generously resides in various connective tissues within our body. Picture it as the glue holding everything together, imparting structure and resilience to your body's tissues, from your skin to your bones. Now, here's where it gets fascinating. We've got not one, not two, but a staggering 28 different types of collagen sprinkled throughout our body, each with their unique roles and special hideouts. However, to keep things a bit simple, let's zero in on the 4 MVPs of the collagen world, types 1, 2, 3, and 4. Type 1 is your body's structural scaffold, reigning supreme in our skin, bones, and tendons, rushing to the rescue, mending wounds, and providing that much-needed structural scaffold. On to Type 2, the cartilage maestro, playing a key role in ensuring our joints and skeletons function smoothly, keeping those squeaky bones at bay. Type 3 is next in line, in a close ally of Type 1, showing off its prowess in crafting the beautiful matrices found in organs and skin, bestowing them with both elasticity and firmness. And let's not overlook Type 4, the cornerstone element laying the foundations in the basal lamina, eyes, and inner ear, acting as a mediator, guiding cells and facilitating their journeys, which is absolutely critical in maintaining the health of organs and tissues. Most people believe that collagen is only good for skin, but what if we told you it holds the secret to revitalizing your entire body? Number 2. Collagen Benefits, alleviating osteoarthritis pain. In the management of osteoarthritis, a prevalent joint disorder characterized by the deterioration of joint cartilage, collagen emerges as a potent ally, rivaling the effects of conventional pain-relieving medications such as ibuprofen. That's right, collagen, particularly Type 2, is instrumental in fostering the resilience and suppleness of the cartilage, thereby cushioning the joints and facilitating smoother movement. Now, here's a staggering fact for you. Did you know that chronic pain affects 19% of adults in the United States, with increasing prevalence in active and aging populations? This ominous pain often pulls the reins on our daily activities, casting a shadow over our mental and social well-being. A controlled trial of the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition has shown active middle-aged adults experience a marked improvement in their day-to-day activities and a significant drop in pain levels, all thanks to the daily intake of 10 grams of collagen over a span of 3 months or more. This underscores collagen's potential as a natural, therapeutic agent in assuaging the discomfort and inflammation often synonymous with osteoarthritis conditions, offering a promising alternative or complementary approach to traditional pain management strategies. Skin health. Collagen operates as the cornerstone that supports the skin, granting it resilience, firmness, and a youthful appearance. As we age, decreasing collagen levels contribute to the emergence of wrinkles, fine lines, and sagging skin. But fret not, because collagen wears many hats. This protein possesses hydrating properties, which play a vital role in maintaining skin moisture and suppleness. It aids in the regeneration process of the skin, facilitating wound healing and the replacement of dead skin cells with new cells, fostering a healthy, vibrant complexion. Now let's take a slight detour to address the widespread issue, brittle nail syndrome, a nemesis for many women, characterized by nails that seem to have lost their grace, becoming rough and prone to peeling. Well, collagen is back at it, providing much-needed support. And guess what? The science backs it all up. A riveting piece in the Journal of Drugs in Dermatology heralds the power of collagen, noting a remarkable improvement in skin elasticity and hydration among individuals supplementing with 3 grams a day of collagen tripeptide from a time span ranging from 4 to 12 weeks. The studies are sprawling, with 8 delving into the efficacy of collagen hydrolysate, ranging from doses from 2.5 grams to 10 grams daily over 8 to 24 weeks, targeting concerns from pressure ulcers and skin aging to cellulite. But wait, there's more! A groundbreaking clinical trial published in the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology reveals a phenomenal leap in nail growth rate by 12% and a drastic reduction in broken nails by 42% over a 12-week period with a daily supplement of 2.5 grams of collagen. So it seems investing in collagen is akin to granting yourself a ticket to a realm of radiant skin and robust nails. Boosting bones. Now let's talk bones. Collagen, forming a substantial part of the bone matrix, is essential in maintaining bone solidity and overall health. It functions as a supportive framework in bones, facilitating the bindings of calcium and other minerals that contribute to bone density and strength. As the production of collagen decreases with age, bones may become more brittle and susceptible to fractures, a condition commonly known as osteoporosis. By supplementing with collagen, one may potentially foster an increase in bone mineral density, thus aiding in the prevention of bone mass loss. Did you know that menopause leads to increased risk for osteoporosis in women? A study published by Journal of Medicinal Food sheds light on the tantalizing possibility. A daily intake of 5 grams of chelated collagen for a minimum of 3 months was efficacious in improving bone mineral density and blood biomarkers of bone turnover in osteopenic postmenopausal women. And there's still more in store. Collagen might just be the catalyst in promoting the zestful activity of osteoblasts, the cells responsible for bone formation, enhancing the body's natural bone regeneration process. This way, it not only fortifies bone solidity, but stands as a guardian preserving overall bone health. So, as we navigate the golden years, incorporating collagen can be a game-changer in staving off bone-related ailments, ensuring a journey graced with strength and vitality. Maintaining muscles. Collagen's role in muscle health and enhancement cannot be understated, as it serves as a significant component in muscle tissues, intricately involved in maintaining muscle structure and function. If you're a fitness enthusiast, you'll be thrilled to know that collagen is your ally in healing and rejuvenating muscle tissues, significantly reducing the risk of those pesky injuries and strains that can set you back in your fitness journey. Plus, it emerges as a fierce warrior in the battle against sarcopenia, a condition characterized by the loss of muscle mass and strength with aging. It works by promoting the synthesis of muscle proteins like creatine and fostering the smooth function of muscle cells, facilitating a better muscle mass to body fat ratio. The wonders of collagen don't stop there. Its presence ensures the proper attachment of muscle to bones, thus supporting optimal muscle power and movement. Did you know that protein supplementation in combination with resistance training may increase muscle mass and muscle strength in elderly subjects? Here's a nugget of wisdom that might just blow your mind. Did you know that pairing protein supplementation with resistance training can potentially rev up muscle mass and strength, especially in seniors? Revelations from a study in the British Journal of Nutrition where males who embraced a regimen of 15 grams per day collagen peptide supplementation showcased impressive gains in fat-free mass and bone mass, coupled with a significant dip in fat mass, all within a 12-week training program. Adopting a collagen-enriched diet or supplement regimen stands as a beneficial strategy in nurturing muscle health, fostering not only strength and endurance, but also aiding in speedy recovery and rejuvenation of muscle tissues post-exercise. So, if you find yourself fretting over your gym protein shake, remember to also prioritize collagen. It's potentially just as crucial, if not more, than your regular protein shake. Maintaining your heart health. Collagen holds a central role in cardiovascular health, operating as a foundational protein in the structure of the heart and the extensive network of arteries. In arteries, a rich weave of collagen fibers serves to provide strength and flexibility, qualities imperative in sustaining the continuous pulsatile flow of blood throughout the body. This structure allows arteries to withstand the high pressures exerted by blood flow. Now take a step into the microscopic world within your heart and blood vessels. Collagen contributes to maintaining the integrity of the endothelial lining of the heart and blood vessels, a critical barrier that regulates the passage of substances between the bloodstream and the vessel wall. A sufficient collagen network here is vital in preventing arterial plaque buildup, a condition that can lead to atherosclerosis, characterized by the hardening and narrowing of the arteries, escalating the risk of heart attack and stroke. But the story doesn't end there. Collagen also aids in the healing process of the heart post-damage, fostering the development of a supportive scar matrix, which is crucial in the recovery phase following myocardial infarctions or heart surgeries. A study highlighted in the Journal of Atherosclerosis observed improvements in arteries health and lower levels of LDL, aka the bad cholesterol, in 32 individuals supplementing with 16 grams of collagen tripeptide over a span of 6 months. Therefore, maintaining optimal levels of collagen can be seen as a preventative strategy, potentially safeguarding the heart and arterial system from various ailments, thus bolstering the overall functioning and longevity of the cardiovascular system. Believe it or not, by the age of 30, we start losing up to 1 to 2% of collagen every year. Number 3. Foods with high collagen. Now let's spill the beans on a little secret. The ultimate collagen treasure trove lies in animal-based delights, particularly those jam-packed with connective tissues. First up, the comforting world of bone broth, a concoction brewed from the bones and connective tissues of animals. Not only is it like a warm hug in a bowl, but it's also a powerhouse of collagen, ready to grace your diet with a healthy boost. Next, we venture to the meaty kingdom, where even the toughest cuts have a silver lining, being generous reservoirs of collagen. The secret here is slow cooking, transforming them into a haven of absorbable collagen goodness. Sailing ahead, the aquatic realms of fish and shellfish, unveiling collagen secrets hidden within their skins and scales, promising a bounty that's often overlooked. Don't flutter away yet, because chicken, especially its skin and connective tissue-rich parts, beckons with a collagen feast, ready to tantalize your taste buds and nourish your body. And then, we have the marvelous world of gelatin, birthed from collagen itself, offering a delightful and dietary source of collagen, adding a sprinkle of health and taste to your meals. Oh, and for those wondering about supplements, hang tight. We are about to sail into that territory in just a bit. But hey, we haven't forgotten about our vegetarian and vegan friends. While it might seem like a bit of a maze to navigate collagen sources, fear not. You can gear your diet towards nurturing the body's innate collagen-producing prowess, armed with nutrients like vitamin C, proline, and glycine. Number 4. Collagen Supplement. Collagen is available in 2 primary forms for consumption: hydrolyzed and peptided. Hydrolyzed collagen, also known as collagen hydrolysate, is derived from native collagen that has undergone a process of hydrolysis, breaking down the molecular bonds between individual collagen strands. This process renders it more soluble and easier to digest, making it a popular choice for supplements as it can be readily absorbed in the gastrointestinal tract. Now let's turn the spotlight onto collagen peptides. It's a form of collagen that has been broken down into shorter chains of amino acids, which can be absorbed into the bloodstream more quickly. These peptides have the ability to exert specific physiological effects in the body, such as promoting skin health or supporting joint function. Both forms of collagen are instrumental in supplementing the body's natural collagen production, which tends to decline with age, thereby assisting in the maintenance of healthy skin, bones, and joints. Now here's a tip. To fully experience collagen benefits, give yourself a minimum of 8 weeks. Collagen isn't easily broken down by our digestive systems and has a long cycle. To truly harness its potential, a precise concoction of essential elements is requisite. A robust stomach acid environment lays the initial groundwork, facilitating the optimal breakdown of collagen proteins. However, this is merely the tip of the iceberg. Collagen reaches its crescendo with the vital involvement of key vitamins and minerals acting as maestros in this complex performance. Vitamin C orchestrates a flawless synthesis of collagen, while vitamin A magnifies its uptake and integration into our bodily systems. Meanwhile, the presence of copper not only catalyzes the formation of collagen, but adds a fine-tuned precision to its structural integrity. If you're thinking of dabbling in collagen supplements, no worries, I've got the homework for you and rounded up some of the top picks just for you in the description below. I stumbled upon these amazing secrets of collagen and crafted this video to pass on this knowledge to you. By embracing these collagen-boosting tips into your daily lifestyle, you're not only reinforcing the natural resilience of your body, but also amplifying energy in your life. Press play on the next video and let's continue on this journey of wellness and rejuvenation together.